Hey everyone, welcome back to the Launchpad. Zach here with a quick TLP news update. Relativity Space just announced their brand new factory and headquarters in Long Beach, California. Relativity Space is the first company to 3D print an entire rocket and build the world's largest metal 3D printers. They recently announced this major expansion of their operations to be in Long Beach with the signing of a 1 million square foot headquarter factory at the Goodman Commerce Center. As a 93-acre former Boeing C-17 manufacturing plant, the new Relativity headquarters is one of the largest headquarters in the private space industry. Relativity's headquarters will have a capacity for over 2,000 employees, science laboratories, DMLS printers, mission control center, as well as dozens of the company's proprietary Stargate 3D printers. With software changes, Relativity's Stargate printers are capable of printing both the Terran 1, the world's first entirely 3D printed launch vehicle, and its reusable entirely 3D printed rocket, the Terran R, that was recently announced. Relativity's factory of the future fuses 3D printing, artificial intelligence, and autonomous robotics to make it possible. Relativity's current factory, a 150,000 square foot facility also in Long Beach, will remain in production. That factory will continue to focus on the company's first rocket, the Terran 1, expected to fly later this year. The new facility is aimed at building out the development and production of the Terran R, Relativity's heavy lift, fully reusable two-stage rocket. Neither rocket has seen orbit yet, but as I said, Terran 1 is expected to fly by the end of 2021, and Terran R as early as 2024. The announcement builds on the company's continued momentum, including the closing of its $650 million Series E fundraiser and an unprecedented year of job creation, growing over 300% in the last year through the pandemic. Those people are located in Long Beach, Vandenberg, Seattle, Washington, D.C., Stennis, and Cape Canaveral. The company is on track to also hire an additional 200 employees by the end of this year. Relativity's radically simplified supply chain enables the company to print these rockets with 100 times fewer parts in just 60 days or less. That's all for this update, but make sure you never miss another TLP news update or live launch coverage by engaging that subscribe button. This is Zach, signing off.